Hey friends, I am in Bell Buckle, Tennessee today. It is off of I-24. You can get to it off of I-24 in between Nashville and Chattanooga. I am going to visit the square. Not much of Bell Buckle. It's just a quaint little town. So I'm going to give you a tour of the square. And I'm actually going to have lunch at the Bell Buckle Cafe. So I will be giving you a review of that and letting you know what you can find there. Here comes
Is that too long or?
I'll have to go check my car.
Okay. You just,
We can put our name in now.
alright. What's the name?
Home.
Alright. And then what's the phone number?
956. Oh wait, 456. 456.
456
1296.
1296. Alright. So, is that your dad's phone number? So he should just get a text message that he's added to our wait list. And he does it from say.
You guys can call.
the wall thing.
The tropical drinks I have. The specialty vodkas that are like raspberry
I might recognize a few of these stars that have been here to eat. So, this is the restaurant. We have about a 30-minute wait, and it is around 11:30. So this is the lunchtime crowd. Okay friends, I forgot to take a picture when my food came in the Bell Buckle Cafe. But I had this smothered pork chop, mashed potatoes, and fried okra with a piece of cornbread, and it was delicious. I only had a few bites left. There was plenty of food. I was full. I couldn't handle any dessert. They looked amazing, but I was just too full. I had the sweet tea, and as a Southern girl loves her sweet tea, the sweet tea is NashVegas girl approved. So a couple of people I was with had the vegetable plate, and then one lady had a salad. It all looked amazing. Everybody enjoyed their food. Like I said, we were too full for desserts. The menu has a variety of items, from sandwiches to salads to full meals. So everyone in your party should be able to find something they like and enjoy.